Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
हाय आई एम पूजा फ्रॉम इंडिया न्यूज़। हाय
Yeah.
मेरा सवाल सोनल जी और जावेद सर से है। आपने डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के बारे में अभी बात की, वुमेन जस्टिस इनजस्टिस के बारे में बात की। आज कठुआ रेप केस पर वर्डिक्ट आया है। आपका क्या राय है इस मुद्दे पर एंड आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद द वर्डिक्ट? जावेद।
This is a judicial pronouncement, and I feel that we should not be talking about it on this platform. Being a bureaucrat, I cannot really comment on what courts have said in socially. I don't have that right. So I'm so sorry. I cannot really give direct answer to your question in public. But yes, somewhere in private we will meet and I'll say a few words about it.
But ma'am, what do you want to say about it, ma'am?
I will
It's
also
a-
request those of you who are posing questions,
What?
we will limit the
It's a-
questions very
No,
clear cut only to the
They
book.
want to answer. Just a second.
No,
What do you
whoever,
want to say
please
about
put a hand up, yes. We will limit the question only to the
it?
book
It's a
launch.
matter of national, yeah, it's national security or women dignity की अगर हम बात करें तो it would be great अगर sir would add something to it or ma'am would add something to it, please. Please, please, sir.
Yeah, today I heard it on TV that those people who are responsible for that inhuman, barbaric act have been given life sentence. As a matter of fact, in all honesty, and I also heard that there were some people who were disappointed by this verdict because they thought that these people deserve capital punishment. I must, in all honesty, accept that I don't have very clear-cut ideas about the capital punishment, whether it is right or it is wrong. This is a discussion that is going on all over the world. One thing was sure, that capital punishment is not a deterrent of crime, because where they have banned capital punishment, the crime has not increased. Where they have capital punishment, the crime has not reduced. So this is not a deterrent. But sometimes, I mean, so I have no idea whether they should have been given a capital punishment or this life term is good enough. I am sure, I'm not sure of it. But at the same time, I must express my apprehension that we have seen many times in our society that somebody who has committed a heinous crime gets life imprisonment, and after 2 years or 3 years, you realize that the person is released on one ground or the other, and then he or she lives happily ever after. So I hope life imprisonment is good enough, but it will not have these kind of privilege that after 2 years or 3 years, the same people will be walking out free. That should not happen.
There are two types of justice. I'll just add to it: retributive justice and reformative justice. Retributive justice is something which which would like to punish the perpetrator of the act, the accused. And reformative justice is something which would like to reform the accused, and so that he will go to the mainstream of the society. Capital punishment snatches that opportunity for the accused. That is, so there are pros and cons for the same. But if you talk about my book, then Pari definitely believes in reformative justice, and she has given one opportunity to Rajiv, who has shot her videos, and she has given her opportunity when Rajiv has told her. Rajiv is in the jail. जेल में राजीव परी को बुलाता है और बोलता है कि ठीक है, मैंने तुम्हें डेजर्ट कर दिया, मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या ये मैरिज क्या होता है. लेकिन माँ तब लड़की का मैरिज तब हो जाता है, माँ लड़की तब बनती है जब पेट में बच्चा होता है, लेकिन बाप तब बनता है जब 9 महीने के बाद बच्चा बाहर आ जाता है. तो मुझे मैरिज का जो मीनिंग है ना, वो अभी जेल में मुझे समझ में आ गया है. प्लीज टेक मी आउट ऑफ द जेल एंड
कितने सारे हस्बैंड्स को जेल भेजना पड़ेगा ये समझ में तब आएगा.
And Pari gives him an opportunity. So Pari believes in reformative justice. She thinks that he has reformed. And he comes out, but again does the same thing, and he goes back again because he's never reformed. He just wanted to come out in the story. So
I hope it answers the question quite clear.
yeah, I hope.
Next question, please. Okay, we will have a 1:1 later. But this is something about which you have highlighted in the book. Just coming to the last questions. For the reader today, when you were writing the book, did you have any particular readers in mind that you were writing this directed towards? And who is the target audience or the target reader that you were
अभी इन्होंने
writing?
आज के न्यूज़ की जैसे बात की है, 4 दिन पहले मैं न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रही थी और मैंने ये देखा, टीवी में भी देखा कि एक लड़की जो डॉक्टर की पढ़ाई कर रही थी किसी कॉलेज में, थोड़ा सा हरास हो गई और उसने सुसाइड कर ली सर.
अब
जावेद
आपने
जी,
थोड़ा सा कैसे कह दिया? हाउ डू यू डिसाइड थोड़ा सा?
क्योंकि
You never
अगर
know.
वो लड़की ये सोचती कि मैं हरास, शी गॉट हरास.
सुसाइड जो है वो तो एक डिजायरेबल एक्ट नहीं है, लेकिन बहरहाल ह्यूमन बीइंग्स करते हैं और अब वो तो मर गई.
वो मर
लेकिन
गई.
जो लोगों ने उसको यहाँ तक इस ब्रिंक तक पहुँचाया, बिकॉज यू कैन हैरेस एनीबडी टू एनी एक्सटेंट, तो वो मालूम नहीं वो एक्सटेंट क्या था और उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. दैट शुड बी इंक्वायर्ड इनटू.
लेकिन जावेद जी, आगे जाके आज मैं कितने भी लेवल तक हरास हो जाऊँ, ये मेरे हाथ में है, ये मेरे दिमाग में है कि मुझे क्या करना है. अगर मैं सुसाइड ही करूँ, मेरी परी के साथ तो बहुत कुछ हो गया, लेकिन उसने नहीं की सुसाइड. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, दिस बुक इज़ ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्ड बाय ट्रू स्टोरी. सो यू नो, मेरी तो इतनी ही तमन्ना है कि हर एक लड़की या कोई लड़का भी इस बुक को पढ़े और कोई सुसाइड ना करे मेरे सोसाइटी में, just because she gets harassed or she gets subjected to domestic violence or she gets something, her dreams are collapsing. तो उस हद तक ना सोचे, क्योंकि वो दिमाग में होना चाहिए कि मैं कौन हूँ और मेरा क्या अस्तित्व यही है. क्या मेरी सब कुछ चला गया, 4 लड़कों ने आके कुछ कर दिया, आज मैं यहाँ से जाके, मैं बाहर जाके, मेरे पति आए हैं मेरे साथ, सभी लोग हैं मेरे साथ, बहुत वाहवाही हो रही है, कल मेरे साथ ये हो नहीं सकता, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मैं विक्टिम रहूँगी या मैं सर्वाइवर बनूँगी? ये जर्नी पहले मुझे मेरे अंदर डिसाइड करनी है, उसके बाद आप लोग मुझे कैसे एक्सेप्ट करोगे ये बात की बात है. पहले मैं खुद को, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू deal with my own is the most important thing. So I just want कि ये बुक पढ़ने के बाद ये कभी ना मैं पढ़ूँ कि किसी ने कुछ like you know, I don't want girls to commit suicide just because something happens to them. So that is my own, that is the motive, that with that motive I wrote it.
Thank you.